Well, all right. We just learned that one in the parking lot. We literally did. Oh my God. That's the future of music, man. Thank you so much for your energy, kids. They're awesome, man. And if the parents are out there somewhere, you guys are parenting correctly. You gotta hear the snare.